In this video, we are going to see how we can send the Robux in Roblox to family and friends. And for the demonstration of this video, I'm using two accounts. That is one for the sender. As you can see, Saad N315 is the sender, which has the Robux available. And the other one is this biker boy, which doesn't have the Robux, and he is the receiver of it. So whenever I want to tell you the changes that we need to do for the receiver, I'll just call it the recipient, and this one is the sender. And just remember that if you don't have the Roblox Plus, this solution is how you can do it without getting Roblox Plus. So let's first of all see what the recipient needs to do to receive the Robux. So I'll just move to the recipient profile, which has 0 Robux in this case. And what he will do is just log into roblox.com, simple page, the main screen. And from this main screen, recipient will head towards create option. And from here, the recipient clicks on creations. And just remember, for all the Roblox profiles, they must have this in the creation, which is their default place. If it is shown as unplayable or something like that, you might need to fill a questionnaire for that, and then you should be able to submit it. And once you return to it, it will be public. So we basically head to the experiences tab, and under here, we will see this place. We click on that. And from here, we will scroll all the way down to the monetization area. We click on that and we click on passes, and we can create a pass. Let's say we click on create pass, and this is test 10 because we want to send 10 Robux, and we will name this as same in the description, and we click on create a pass. So once your pass is created, you click on that to open it up. You go to the sales area and just put this item for sale. The default price is 10. We click on save changes, click on proceed. And now this pass is available to public to buy. So as you can see, now it is enabled. Once you do that, but just remember that when you send Robux, Roblox will cut some commission, for example, 20 to 30%. If you're sending 10, they will receive 7. So the recipient will need to create this pass so that they can send the link of this pass to the other person, that is the sender, and they will just buy the pass, and automatically the recipient will get the Robux. And now we click on these 3 dots, copy the pass ID, and this is all the recipient profile. So what recipient will do now is send that ID, this link, to the sender. So if you can see the full link of it, that is good. But if not, you need to create this full link, right? So in order to create this full link, what we need to do is just head over to roblox.com, and this is what the recipient needs to do. And from here, you click on your account on the top right hand corner. And here basically you click on creations. And from here, we click on the picture in the experiences. We go to the store, and from here, this is where you find the actual Robux pass with the complete link. Now you click on it, and from here, if we see a full link, as you can see, Game Pass is now available as a full link. So what you do is just copy this and send it to the sender. The recipient will then send it to the sender. So here's the sender. He will just paste this link, and now he can buy this. But as you can see that we created for 10 and the price is 4. So what we do is, let's say if we want to adjust this, we click on the configure, and let's say we want to make it 20 just to see how much will be actually bought by the person. So if we create a pass of 20, they will receive 8. So click on buy, and obviously when we buy it, this Robux will be credited to the recipient. So click on buy again, and we have successfully bought test Robux. Now we have a credit of 492. So that means 8 credit is spent from us. While for the recipient, if we want to check their Roblox account, it is still showing as 0. But what you do is just click on their Robux and click on my transactions, and you will see the pending Robux here. They will receive 6. So the Roblox will deduct the rest. So the Robux will basically deduct the 2 Robux as commission. So I suppose this is like 20 to 30%. And as you can see, it appears in the pending Robux. Don't worry, it will be released after a couple of hours or maybe in a few days. So that is how you can send Robux to your family and friends in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.